Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can edit menu in Grab Merchant. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Grab Merchant app. Once you do this, tap on the menu icon. After doing this, you can find several options like something that are on your menu. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the green button like icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. So after tapping it as well, you can simply select to even add an item or add a category to edit your menu. So once you choose any of the option, you can simply choose the name, description, even edit their translations and add a picture in which you can select from gallery, or you can simply take a new photo as well. After doing this, you need to fill in the descriptions that have been added and simply select the availability schedule, your option prices, and then hit on the create item option. Now by following this method, you can simply edit a menu on your Grab Merchant account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again. Thank you for watching.